Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Azure Kubernetes Service AKS and deploy a container from Azure Container Registry and spin it. It uses managed identity and sends messages to EventHub. So if we see this is my EventHub and we see the messages being produced or sent, we at the moment we have 49, and as we see here outgoing there is nothing. So I'm going to spin my consumer. It's the consumer could be anywhere, but for the time being it's in my local machine. Okay, while it comes up, I want to show how you can do this. So I'm on free trial version, so my command for creating cluster did not work, so I had to create the cluster using the portal. And after that, I decided to enable managed identity, and this is a command you have to use to update the cluster to have the enabled managed identity. um, and then because my images are in the ACR, the AKS might not be able to pull them, so you have to attach your registry, and this is how you do it. Again, you have to fill these gaps or substitute the values with your appropriate inputs. And next step, when we have everything ready, is to create a deployment mentioning what is the image you want to use. And and as a final step, you have to expose your deployment, and these commands, you can use PowerShell to run them locally. And then you can check your environment or the deployment status, uh, trying to get the service, getting the pods, and looking at the logs. Now, at this point, our containers, whichever are spinning, they can't connect to Event Hub because they don't have the enough permissions. So what you need to do is you have to supply permissions uh, for the managed identity, for both the hub, the cluster, and the pool. And and if we have to look at the logs, so I'm now tailing the messages. So you could see at 19:29:58, there was a message that was sent, and here we go. After another 30 seconds, at 19:30:28, we got another message. If we wait for another 30 seconds, we get the next one. That's how the producer is keep on sending codes. So we have it. The message is already, it's a scrolling problem. Um, okay, now let's go back here. Our customer or the client is reading the messages, and if we go and check what is happening here, see this purple thing has gone up. Right now it has read three messages. That's what it says. It could be more. I'm refreshing. Yeah, if we have more consumers in the consumer group, I think we will wrap up all those. I don't know why it has a problem. Yeah, sure. So we have five messages. That's it. Thank you.